So guys, we're here to the mall. Sa Bangkok. We're finding for food, guys. So, ha? Ayan na bag. Ng kanik pang bata. Ang bata man to. Ang pagkamay. Finding some socks. We have no socks. Uy, jogging pants. Perfect na. O, so, guys, here's our school supplies. So, this is my day for my brother. Some.